Checking to see if these eggs are fertile. Wow. Okay, so that one definitely is. Can we see it breathing? Okay, so no movement of what I can see, and sometimes that's not the best thing in an egg. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, and no, they both look very, very fertile though. These ones are definitely not fertile. As you can see, they are clear as daylight. Now they might turn out to be fertile, but I highly doubt that. So, yep. That's crumbling eggs. And also, if you have a look, let's just wait for it to focus. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Okay, there we go. So if we just have a look at this light, as you can see a red egg. I wonder if I can just get like the right lighting. There we go. So there's sort of like a red egg just there, and then there's two pearly whites, and then there's a bit more of one that is a tiny bit red. And that's sometimes how you can just tell whether it's fertile or not, especially with this one right there. That is very not fertile because it's just so red. So yeah.